Hey y'all, back again. This time we're gonna watch Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1, the trailer. This movie is supposed to be out next year, I think. Uh, I watched all the previous Mission Impossible films. Tom Cruise is in his bag and he's in his element. They're like made for him. And previous installation, I don't remember what happened, but yeah, it was just similar quality to the previous ones. And that was 2018 Mission Impossible Fallout with Henry Cavill. The stunts were good, action great. Story is a Mission Impossible story, it can be either great or awful, everything else just saved regardless. So, it's gonna be a nice thing to watch regardless. So that's what we used to, and that's what we used to get in, and that's what we're gonna get. Tom Cruise. Always make sure that you enjoy yourself when you're watching these films. And so, looking forward to that. Look forward to the trailer, and it's gonna be great when you're watching the film. Good experience guaranteed. Okay, now let's get into it.
Your days of fighting for the so-called greater good are over. This is our chance to control the truth, the concepts of right and wrong for everyone for centuries to come. You're fighting to save
Simon
an
Pegg,
ideal that doesn't exist.
Ving Rhames.
Never did. You need to pick a side.
She looks familiar. I've seen her before. Oh, and Tom Cruise. Ethan Hawke. Is Hawke his last name? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Haley Hatwell. That's what I'm trying to remember. Pick a character there. I'm trying to remember that face. What's that guy who plays Vision? Another great Mission Impossible stunt. July 2023. Okay. So that was Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1 trailer. It's out next year. And let me see, who was in that? Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1. Cast look familiar, some of the people in the cast. What's it? Rebecca Ferguson, right, that's her name. Vanessa Kirby. What have I seen Vanessa Kirby in? Oh, she was in the previous Mission Impossible film? I remember that. She and then also that I've seen. Oh, The Crown. Oh, she played Princess Margaret. That's what I've seen her. She played Princess Margaret in The Crown. Who else is there? Carrie Ellis. One from the. Is that who I confused for? Hold on. Split Vision. MCU. Again. Paul Bettany. Right, Paul Bettany. I don't think that was Paul Bettany. Is Paul Bettany in this? Was that Paul Bettany? No, that was not Paul Bettany. So I guess that would carry. I don't know how you pronounce his last name. Keller Ellis. The guy from the Princess Bride. Yeah, that was him. Okay, I guess that's who I saw. Yeah, he's listed in the cast. Alright, so this glad to see he's still working. Looks like a decent cast. A lot of returning members of for the cast of the previous films. Oh, Angela Bassett too. Oh, okay. Looks fun. Can't wait. Okay. There's not much to say really right now. There's not any movies out, but good trailer. Didn't give away much. Just provided us with what we know. We're getting action and looks like a potential decent story and lots of family faces like we used to from old cast, and then some like established actors coming into the franchise, such as Ailey Atwell and Angela Bassett. So looking forward to that. Okay, and see ya later.